This is a hand drawing of a medicine wheel, the one that came to me. There's many different arrangements. But as you can see, it symbolizes the indigenous people in the four directions, the four elements, the four aspects of being, the four directions, the four seasons, etc. And so according to the Hopi prophecy, in these days and times of the third shaking of the earth, the indigenous people of the four directions will come together and share the teachings of the four directions, because we all started as one, and it was one continent, and then over time the continent split up into parts and floated into different directions, and due to the different geographical location, the outward appearance of the people changed. But originally, every continent was inhabited by black people, and then over time our appearance changed. So in this diagram, I have combined the wisdom of the Lakota Nation medicine wheel, the Hopi prophecy, and the spiral dance from the people of the North, which maps out the natural holy days, the solstices, equinoxes, and mid-seasons. The technology behind this spiral dance medicine wheel is that we don't just go round and round and round, repeating the circle of life, repeating the same mistakes over and over, that the spiral moves forward through time. And when you get to the point of where is it? Yeah, there, midwinter, which is where we're coming into with midwinter, known as Brigitte or Candlemas, there's more and more light to each day, because at the winter solstice, it's the longest day, longest night. And so now we start to have the days become longer. So at the midwinter, which corresponds with the Chinese New Year, is when we have more and more consciousness as we prepare for the spring. But the idea behind the four directions, and this is my interpretation, I don't know if the other traditions follow this, but in my interpretation, it's time for the indigenous people of the four directions to rise up, cast down caucasity, cast down colonialism, cast off Western imperialism, and unite based on our common origin as human beings and of our love of nature. We're not into this artificial intelligence. We're not into these drugs from the medical industry. We're claiming our sovereignty. And in my opinion, this is a way that we can unite rather than get involved in tribalism and separatism. I hope that answers your question. The next ceremony is February 2nd at 6:30 a.m. Central Time. Peace.